Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Zotero desktop must be installed and running. Once done, open Chrome so the browser can accept the connector. Now install the Zotero connector extension from the Chrome Web Store. You need to allow the extension install prompts. Make sure Zotero is not blocked by antivirus or network restrictions, because the connector registers with the running Zotero app. This step links the browser to the desktop app and prepares automatic metadata capture. With the connector installed, focus on authorizing communication. Open Zotero desktop and navigate to Preferences to verify connector settings. Enable native messaging so Chrome can send commands. Then in Chrome, click the connector icon and choose Connect to Zotero. Accept any permission dialogues. Once authorized, try saving a citation from a web page. Zotero should pop a save dialog and fetch metadata and PDFs when available. If it does, the bridge is active, and you can proceed to organize imports. Finish by testing and syncing. You should save items from a journal, library catalog, and a PDF link to confirm consistent behavior. Make sure Zotero Sync is enabled so your library is backed up and accessible on other devices. If things go wrong, restart both Chrome and Zotero first, then recheck native messaging and firewall or proxy settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall the connector and restart the desktop app if the connector fails to communicate. This solves most connection errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.